We're going to do your toys, aren't we? Where's your dinosaur? Dinosaur. Good boy. Well done. Fetch it. Ta. Where is your shark? Good boy. Well done. Well done. Fetch it. Good boy. Ta. Where is your caterpillar? Good boy. Well done. Well done. Fetch it. Fetch it. Ta. Okay. Where is your pig? Good boy. Well done. Fetch it. Fetch it. Well done. Good boy. Good boy. Where is Bear's camel? Here. Where's camel? Good boy. Well done. Fetch it. Thank you. Where's Bear's new snake? Where's snake? Good boy. You got that today. Well done. Fetch it. Well done. Fetch it. Bear, fetch it. Good boy. Well done, Bear. Bear. Where is Bear's lobster? Good boy. Well done. Good boy. Fetch it. Fetch it. Well done. Thank you. Thank you, Bear. Where is Bear's crocodile? Where's your crocodile? Good boy. Well done. Well done. Thank you, Bear. Where is Bear's dachshund? Good boy. Well done. Good boy. Well done. Where is Bear's pasty? Where's your pasty? Good boy. Well done. Well done. Okay, last thing. Where's Bear's walrus? Where's his walrus? Good boy. Fetch it. Well done. Good boy. Bear, high five. Good boy.